Yo, X, all I need to know is when you have that one chicken. Sounds good. Thank you, bro.
Like 5 minutes?
5 minutes. Thank you. T, can you drop that skin whenever you have a time for me inside? Thank you, madam. 4 minutes. Thank you, sir. Two all day, sir. Thank you. Da 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 da. Walk and get the 2 parathas that should be ready. Put on 2 boxing gloves. Those are your fries for the socorrito behind you. I did not bring out the socorrito. My error. Bring out the socorrito. Sorry, X, step left. Go ahead, sir. Thank you. These are my pitas. Thank you. T, you good? Thank you, madam. Sorry, Ukes. That's it. You can start the socorrito.
The chicken should be good. Close to that.
Awesome.
Chicken.
Thank you, sir. Open. Thank you. Thank you, Yugs. Yugs, I'm right here. Socorrito, flip-flop the papers so we can have our own. And you're continuing with the Opa wrap. Thank you, sir. Thank you. X, you don't have to call them. Just keep putting them in the window, okay? Thank you, sir. You don't have to call it. We said that, right? Just keep going, my guy. Thank you.